Hello and welcome. Today we are making delicious roasted vegetables that you can serve in place of a regular salad. To make this recipe, you will need zucchini, bell peppers, carrots, and celery, but you can also substitute with other crunchy vegetables. Chop them up like so, and then place all the vegetables in a large bowl. Mix all the vegetables and then you're ready to season. We are using black pepper here. Go ahead and estimate the measurements because it really depends on how much vegetables you use. So I won't give very specific measurements here. Add some Italian seasoning and then some salt, little bit of salt, too much and the vegetables will sweat, and become too mushy. Add some dill weed, it adds a touch of green and just a nice look and also an aroma. And then add paprika. Again, just a tiny bit of each seasoning. You do not want to over season the vegetables. Then sprinkle about a tablespoon of olive oil and you're ready to toast these vegetables until they are nicely coated with the seasoning mixture, and then you'll be ready to bake them. So as you cut your vegetables, keep them equal sizes so they bake uniformly. Go ahead and spread your vegetables on a baking tray that's lined with parchment paper. Just make sure everything is nicely spread out. They shouldn't overlap too much or there'll be too much moisture trapped in there. Bake your vegetables and they'll be ready in about 15 to 20 minutes at 425 Fahrenheit. Yeah, so as soon as they are done, scrap the vegetables off the tray and transfer them somewhere, or you want to let them cool quickly so they do not continue cooking. So either mix them like this and then let them cool down on a wide surface, or go ahead and place them somewhere else that's cold so they can cool down. Go ahead and serve your vegetables and enjoy. And that's it for this video. I hope you love this recipe and I hope to see you in many others. Bye bye.